at the 90s car show.
Ready? Alright, one, go! Down!
3, 2, 1.
Well, there you have it, guys. Today was an interesting day. I blew my motor on the LS notch and went to Army in the morning and a car show today. But yeah, I ain't tripping about the motor. I'll get a new one, and I do need to figure out the issue on my integra. I do get loose cut, so when I was racing that other DA9, I keep hitting loose cuts, so you know I'm gonna have to rematch it once I get my car fixed. Because right now I get the check engine light for speed sensor, which I don't understand why if everything works. The guy I raced, his name's Matthew, he was telling me that it's the cluster sometimes take a shit, so I don't know. It's been happening ever since the power cable came off, so I don't know. We'll figure it out though. But hope you guys enjoy this video. To the next one. Well, all right, guys. I just got home, and I was thinking on the way home, like, dang, I wonder why my car is doing what it's doing. It's, you know, the speed sensor. And I was thinking, I was like, you know what? I have the tucked Y-wire harness, or whatever it's called, and I wired it up to the ECU. And I remember, if I remember correctly, I was like, there was a vehicle speed sensor wire that had to tap into the ECU pin, into the new harness. And sure enough, when the stupid power wire came off, it freaking yanked that wire out. And this wire is supposed to be hooked up there, so that came loose, and that's why the check engine light is on. I'm pretty sure that's why. I just looked up the diagram, and yeah, B10 on this outlet, or plug outlet, whatever, is supposed to be there on the blue and white wire. And it's not connected, so that's gonna be the reason why the car is not working properly. That's why the check engine light's on, and I'm hitting boost cut. So I'm gonna have to rerun that red Integra for sure. So Matt, if you watch this video, I want a rematch, bro. So let me know. But all right, guys, till the next one.